I am HM Tech by Complaint. I am responsibility of the Thomas Academy Senior Secondary School. I gladly welcome you to 7th annual sports. Welcome ma'am, welcome sir, welcome sir.
This is the final call for all the march past people to get ready to your places. Please check your team. I request the team master and mistress to take cover. Students in charge for the prayer and prayer songs are requested to come to the stage immediately. We have a car here parked near the entrance inside the school campus. I request you all to please kindly take away the car. It's a white car, TN22DW0842. The concerned parent or any person who is in charge of the car, kindly take away.
Good morning to one and all present here. We are thrilled to welcome each one of you to the much awaited extravaganza of the year, the 7th annual Sports Day of St. Thomas Academy Senior Secondary CBSE School. I am Mrs. Deepa Ram. Uma Jabarani will be the host for the day, and we are all here to encourage and appreciate the spirit of sportsmanship and excellence displayed by our young Thomasians.
Sports Day theme, Universum. The term means we Thomasians stress the world peace amidst between war. We pray that unity of the world. Sports Day motto, a dream becomes a goal when an action is taken towards its achievement.
I request the school band to lead our guests of the 7th annual Sports Day meet, followed by our SPL, ASPL, Sports Secretary, Assistant Sports Secretary, followed by the captains of all the 4 teams to lead the dignitaries.
Prayer is the longing of the soul on listening to God's voice from the depth of our hearts. I call upon our Thomasian choir to lead us in prayer. Prayer song. All the students must rise up for the prayer. Please stand up, children.
La
personalities who have been called for the day. Word of God from the Bible, Bhagavad Gita, Quran and Tirukkural.
Bible reading. Bible reading is taken from Psalms chapter 47 verses 1 to 4. Clap your hands for joy, all peoples. Praise God with loud songs. The Lord, the Most High, is to be feared. He is a great king ruling over all the world. He gave us victory over the peoples. He made us rule over the nations. He chose for us the land where we live, the proud possession of his people, whom he loves. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Lord Krishna emphasizes the importance of fulfilling one's duty, the responsibilities known as dharma. Students should understand their academic responsibilities and strive to excel in their studies. Lastly, God Krishna's teaching in the Bhagavad Gita emphasizes spiritual growth and self-realization. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள். அருமை உடைத்தென்ற சாவாமை வேண்டும், பெருமை முயற்சி தரும். பொருள்: விளையாட்டில் தோல்வியுற்றால் இச்செயலை நம்மால் செய்ய முடியாதென்று தளர்ச்சி கொள்ளாமல் இருக்க வேண்டும். இடைவிடாத முயற்சியானது அதை நம்ம செய்ய வைக்கும் வலிமையை தரும். மீண்டும் குறள். அருமை உடைத்தென்ற சாகாமை வேண்டும், பெருமை முயற்சி தரும். நன்றி.
It's time to introduce the special people for the day. Yes, you have guessed it right. We are fortunate to have our chief guests, guest of honor, special invitees, and all parents and children who have gathered here on this special day. I invite our director, Reverend Father C. Paul Raj, to introduce and felicitate our chief guest.
Very good morning to all of you present here. First of all, I would like to thank God for giving this wonderful and peaceful and pleasant atmosphere. So can we all thank Lord by clapping our hands? Yes, I think it's not enough. Yes. I know in the morning all the parents including me at 7 o'clock we were all little bit panic whether the program will be there or not. Irukuma, irukada. So many phone calls that came, but still God made it that today it will be done. Okay. So this is a wonderful opportunity and chance for me to welcome our dignitaries here. Dear honorable guests, respected parents and esteemed participants, our students and my dear students and friends and well-wishers. It is with immense pleasure and enthusiasm that I extend a warmest welcome to each and every one of you to our much-awaited school sports meet of St. Thomas Academy Senior Secondary CBSE School 23-24 with a theme of Universum, which means we long to have the universality in our school too. Now today we come together not only as a school community but as a collective of a dedicated individual who share a profound passion for sports and commitment to fostering the spirit of competitions, team spirit and excellence among our students. This event is a celebration of the hard work for the past 1 year with the determination, hard work and sportsmanship of our young athletes who have displayed throughout the year, as we are thrilled to showcase their talents before you. Now I think now my turn to welcome our dignitaries. First and foremost, I would like to welcome Miss Lisa Stefila Thrace, a person with a multi-talented both in profession and of a person, and did her engineering in electronic and communication. An engineer becoming a DSP is something is amazing and inspiring. and DSP becoming a knowledgeable lawyer as well as a politically knowledgeable person. And I have gone through all her profile, and what I would always say is a woman with a bundle of possibilities. A woman with a bundle of possibilities where we can draw lots of information because she is a center of communication commando. Now she is in the crime commando in Chennai in Tamil Nadu in charge. So in her school days and college days, in particularly in participating in all the events, without whether she knows or not whether she is capable, but she is particular that she wanted to participate and win prizes. That is something very self-motivating person. That is what I have seen her YouTube talks and her interview and so on. In every aspect she underlines one point: there is nothing that I cannot do. I can always do something. So I think that was the personality of Miss Lisa. So today we are happy and privileged to have you, ma'am. So welcome you on behalf of St. Thomas Academy Management. I invite our principal to honor her and so next we have, we always have regards for our neighbors. So we have our neighbors are the OTA, the Office Training Academy, the army people who are close to our hearts, not only to us, to all of us. So we have with us Lieutenant Colonel Mr. Prasant Thakur, who is aspiring for his PhD, a doctorate. And he is a person with a simplicity in heart and in behavior, and generous in life to serve our country as an Indian Army person. A talented, commissioned military academician, and seen the operation in Kargil War, served as a cardinal in all directions of India. A trainer and an outstanding sports person. When you look at him itself, you will understand how gigantic he looks. You know, he is an army person, but he is also a sports person. And we were all chatting in my cabin today. So he was sharing there are so many inspiring things that had happened in his life. So the training that he had undergone is always exciting and is also challenging one. And today he is also with us because he is very good in long jump and also in polo game. So he is athletes as well. So on behalf of St. Thomas Academy, we welcome you, sir, to be with us. We are honored to have you. I think I need much time to introduce the person who is sitting in the middle. That's Dr. Praveen Kumar, a friend of mine and friend of many of our priests and friend of also Father Michael, who is sitting here. Though he looks simple, but in his knowledge is very big. He is the Dean of School of Commerce and Management, Bharat University in East Tampram. And you might have been wondering why I call this person here. The only one reason is an inspiration for many students in their academic level. Anybody who comes that I cannot do, I cannot study, I cannot achieve this, is a person who always motivates the students. Don't worry, we will do it. There is always a chance. There is always a chances for you to win. That is the very motivating and inspiring person. Even in the college, I visited several times in his college, in his office. I could see the interaction with the students is fabulous. And that could be the reason that motivated me today to invite in front of you, and he is holding 2 doctorates in English as well as in management. Is also an editorial member of many national and international journals. Also, he is having experience of teaching experience as a teacher more than 20 years. And when you look at him, very simple in his approach, and is always a generous person in his approach in whatever help you ask him, especially with regard to the academics. Today also he has brought this colonel who is doing under his supervision this doctorate, and I think such a personality we also need to recognize and appreciate him. So Praveen Kumar sir, doctor, we welcome you and we are privileged to have you in our midst, and welcome once again. So I think I don't need to give any long introduction, but a brief and sweet introduction I can give is Father A.D. Michael. You know him, he is the vibrant and young and energetic rector, National Shrine St. Thomas on the hilltop that we have. And we have always an affinity to our St. Thomas Academy School here. The moment I took charge in the year 2019, we had a lot of work to be done. Some things which I was not aware, since he was before me in the CBSE school, and he has also formed and built a wonderful school in our Bishop House campus in Chengalpet, and that really inspired in such young age. He had such a work that he has done. So he has been the supporting and pillar of St. Thomas Academy. Whenever I ask him for any help, without any hesitation, he is always there with us. And many of you do not know he is a multi-talented person. If you give him any task, that will be done in a short period of time. If you want to arrange any program, he will do in a short period of time. And if you go and see now on the hilltop, within this 6 months of time duration, there has been a lot of developments. There has been a lot of different phase to the shrine that he has given. Also, he is a good writer. All the time he will be writing. I don't know what, you cannot see him idle. He always occupies himself. He is the author of so many books. I cannot count all those books, but you can ask him and ask him how many books he has written. And in such a way, I think he is a very knowledgeable person. He has given lots of orientation program to college students, teachers, and students, school going students, and so on. And I think he is also an inspiration for all the students here. So Father A.D. Michael, I welcome you on behalf of St. Thomas Academy. Welcome you and have a wonderful day. I think I would always appreciate and admire the cooperation of the parents. I know many of the parents today might have scolding me or cursing why this father is very adamant in conducting even in the rain. He doesn't want to even send any message and so on. எனக்கு தெரியும் நிறைய பேரண்ட் அப்படிலாம் நீங்கள் நினச்சிருப்பீங்க, ஏன் இருந்தாலும் இப்படிலாம் பண்ணினுங்கிறாரு, மழை பெய்து லீவ் விட வேண்டியதானே, அப்படிலாம் நினச்சிங்களா நீங்கள்? அப்படிலாம் நினச்சிங்களா? இல்லை, ஒருத்தர் தான் இல்லைன்றார். நிறைய பேர் சிரிக்கிறாங்க. அந்த சிரிப்பிலே எனக்கு வந்து தெரியுது அவங்க வந்து எல்லோரும் என்னை திட்டிருந்துருப்பேன். பட் இருந்தாலும் எனக்கு என்ன ஒரு நம்பிக்கைன்னா, நிச்சயமாக அந்த மழை நின்றுடும் அப்படின்றது எனக்கு வந்து ஐ ஹேட் அ கான்ஃபிடென்ட். ஈவன் பிரின்சிபல் வாஸ் சேயிங், எல்லா டீச்சரும் சொன்னாங்க, இல்லை ஃபாதர் இது இன்றைக்கி நடத்தி ஆகணும், வேறு வழியே கிடையாது அப்படின்னாங்க. பட் இட் ஆல் த ஒர்க் ஆஃப் காட் and the cooperation of the parents. I am always obliged at your cooperation, and I really thank you and welcome all the parents. Can we give a big round to all the parent students for their presence here? Also to my dear students, those who are going to participate, and also those who are going to encourage the student. Also all our teams and teachers, well wishes and everybody. I welcome you all and God bless you. Have a wonderful day. and God has given us a wonderful climate and wonderful atmosphere. So welcome and thank you all.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul, and it is a beautiful form of the expressions of human feelings. I call upon our STA classical dancers to perform a graceful welcome dance.
சத்தியம் உரைக்க அருள் புரிவாய். தாம் தகஜம் தத்தகஜம் கஜம் கஜம் தத்ததிம் ததிம் தகததிம் ததிம் தஜ்ஜம் ததிம் ததா தத்தகிட தகஜம் ததிம் ததா தகதகிட தத்தித் தகதினது தகததிகினது முழு முதல் இறைவா வாழ்த்துகிறோம். முழு முதல் இறைவா வாழ்த்துகிறோம். உந்தன் மலரடி பணிந்து வணங்குகிறோம். உந்தன் மலரடி பணிந்து வணங்குகிறோம். முழு முதல் இறைவா வாழ்த்துகிறோம். மானிடர் யாவர்க்கும் தந்தை என்றோம். நாங்கள் மாண்புற வாழ்வதும் நிழலிலென்றோம். முழு முதல் இறைவா வாழ்த்துகிறோம். உந்தன் மலரடி பணிந்து வணங்குகிறோம். முழு முதல் இறைவா வாழ்த்துகிறோம். இது கக மம பமகரி சதிரிரி கக மம பமகரி ச திரிகுதும் 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 தித்தா திரிகுதும் திரிகுதும் திகதி ச சரி சரி தி சரி தி த பமகரி க மம திகதி ச சரி சரி தி சரி தி த பமகரி க மம தஜ்ஜம் தஜம் தகஜம் தஜம் ததகித ததிகின ததிகின தா ಕತಣ ತಜಿನು ತಜುನು ತಗಿಟ ತರಿ ತಜಂ ತಗಿಟ ದಿವಿದ ಹೆರಿ ಜರಿ ನಿದ ನಿ ಪದ ಮಗ ಮರಿ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಮಮ ಪದ ಪದ ನಿದ ನಿದ ಹೆರಿ ಜರಿ ನಿದ ನಿ ಪದ ಮಗ ಮರಿ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಮಮ ಪದ ಪದ ನಿದ ನಿಸ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಿல் எங்கும் நல்லமைதி
ஜெகத்தினில் எங்கும் நல்லமைதி
எங்கள் செயல்களில் எல்லாம் சமத்துவம்
எங்கள் செயல்களில் எல்லாம் சமத்துவம்
நெஞ்சினில் தூய சிந்தனை
நெஞ்சினில் தூய சிந்தனையும்
என்றும் நிறைத்துணை வாழ அழைப்பவனே நிறைத்துணை வாழ அழைப்பவனே முழு முதல் இறைவா வாழ்த்துகிறோம் உந்தன் மலரடி தந்து வணங்குகிறோம் முழு முதல் இறைவா வாழ்த்துகிறோம்
The flag is the emblem of the land I love, the home of the free and the brave. It's time to hoist our national flag and uphold our prestigious school flag together with our sports day flag. I invite our dignitaries to do the honors, who will be led by our director and principal. Now our sports secretary will lead. I request all our guests and parents to stand up. The national flag will be hoisted by Lieutenant Colonel Prashant Thakur, followed by the school flag by Dr. Praveen, Dean of Commerce and Management, Bharat University, and our sports flag by our invitee, special chief guest, Sri Lisha Stabila Teres ma'am. Kindly do the honors. It's time for showing the symbolize to freedom. It's the flying up of the balloons. I request Mr. Prashant to do the honors. And dove symbolizes peace. I request our father. I request our sports secretary, Sheikh Fayez, to lead the march past. First things first. things first, the march past. It is the discipline and focus of the students when marched together. The synchronized movements, the crisp commands, the zeal and enthusiasm shows their perfect symphony. Let's get ready for the march past.
Our SPL Malcolm Melvin has participated in state levels. We welcome the band.
The band of STA is a pride. We welcome up our great Thomasians band for leading the march past.
Our SPL Malcolm Melvin has participated in state level skating competition. He is good at drawing, music, kabaddi and cricket. Our ASPL Deepak has secured gold medal 100 meters dash track event in inter-school track events and secured bronze medal in 4 into 100 meters relay in state level track events.
Our sports secretary, Sheikh Fayaz, has secured gold medal in state level badminton and secured gold medal in 100-meter relay. Our assistant sports secretary, Ritika Hale Kennedy, has secured first prize in relay, finished 6 levels in Hindi and achieved first place in athletics.
Our amethyst captain Devan has participated in piano and keyboard classes. He is a good runner and has received gold medal at state level and district level carom player too he is. Our amethyst vice captain Kathleen Maria has secured Kalaratna award. She has participated in inter-house Kho competition. Our amethyst housemaster Karthik G has secured gold medal in carom board tournament under 14, had secured bronze medal in inter-school chess tournament under 18.
Followed by our Sapphire House. The Sapphire House captain is S. Sam Jeffrey, has secured first prize in athletics and finished 2 grades in guitar and keyboard. The house vice captain is Mahasana, participated in CBSE level Kho tournament and participated in inter-district level CBSE Kho and also completed basic programs in Manaparai. The house master is Mr. Venkata Ganesh, as experienced teacher, art teacher of last 10 years in Royala School, using 1008 Rudracham beads chain, created dancing Ganesh in Nadanalia School.
Our Emerald House captain is Andrew Vinu, secured gold medal in drawing competition and has won first place in essay writing. Our Emerald House vice captain is Sanorita, participated in state level athletic meet in 100 meters, 200 meters relay and also participated in inter-house Kho, throwball, cricket competitions. Our Emerald House master is Mr. Praveen Joan, has secured gold medal in under 13 inter-school Kho tournament and secured gold medal in ball badminton inter-college tournament.
Followed by Topaz team. The Topaz house captain is Shubhashri, has secured gold medal in 400-meter running and secured gold in Kung Fu and drawing. Our Topaz vice captain is Roshan, has secured second place in 400-meter running and first in 100-meter running, secured silver medal in athletics 800 meters. Our Topaz house master is Mr. George Fernandez, has participated in inter-college cricket tournament in Pondicherry University and secured second prize in volleyball in college level.
Olympic flame symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge, and life. By passing the flame from one person to another, expresses the passing of the symbolic fire from generation to generations. Our amethyst stars hold his name, Kavin R. of grade 10 and Farhana Tabusam of grade 9. Kavin R. is a karate gold medalist in national level. Also, he has secured silver medal in silver.
Can we all give a big round of applause? Parents, children, give a big round and encourage our students.
She
We
has
are going to
secured
start.
second place in 800 meters running race.
இது
One
பத்தல,
first place,
ஜோரா
400
கைதட்டுங்க.
meters running
இன்னும்.
race. One
அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு
second
பிபி
place,
சுகர் அதெல்லாம் இருந்தால்
state
குறைஞ்ச
level
நல்லா
running
ஜோரா கை தட்டுங்க. நிறைய பேருக்கு பிபி சுகர்லாம் இல்லாமல் இருக்கும். Right. இந்த பக்கத்துல இருந்து ஒரு சத்தமும் காணும் இந்த பந்தல நல்லா ஜோரா கை தட்டுங்க.
Ashwath has completed
Parents.
7 levels in abacus, 3rd place in abacus in district level, and 1st place in 100 and 200 meters. Sanchia of grade 9 has completed 5 levels in abacus, 2nd place in handwriting, 3rd place in badminton, and participated in throw-ball.
இல்ல விட்டுறாதீங்க, கை தட்டுறதை விடவே கூடாது. அவங்க இங்க வர வரைக்கும் நீங்க யாரும் கை ஓயக்கூடாது. கை தட்டிட்டே தான். கை விட்டா எப்படி
of
இருக்கு?
grade 10 and Adarshana Menon of grade 9. Ritesh is a Yoga gold medalist. He has
It's an
participated in
encouragement to our
school
children,
football name.
so they'll be
He
boosted
has
up.
played carom
So
at
for the
state
coming
level.
events too.
He has participated in tennis ball cricket. Adarshana Menon has won 3rd place in 200 meters running in district level. Won 2nd place in one-on-one badminton competition. Participated in inter-school house competition.
Followed by the Thomas team, the torch holders Ajay Kumar of grade 12 and Karis Atria of grade 8. Ajay Kumar has achieved district level bronze medal in karate, gold medal in 100 meters running race, and 2nd place in football tournament. Karis has secured 1st place in 100 meter running and secured 2nd place in 200 meter running.
Sports captain Sheikh Fayaz has won medal at state level badminton. Participated in open district level.
Nitika Hale has finished 4 levels in PT and 4 grades in violin.
we promise that we shall take part in 7th annual sports meet without respecting and avoiding the rules that governs them, committing ourselves to a sport without doping and without drugs, in a true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sport. As per our school motto, aspiring for excellence.
Academy, are you ready? No noise. Are you ready? Ready for what? Ready for what? Holiday. Sports day. Okay. St. Thomas Academy, I declare the 7th annual sports meet Universum 2023-24 meet open.
Exercise that combines body with rhythm and improves body flexibility, muscular strength and cardiovascular fitness. Let us put our hands together to invite our kindergarten Thomasians to the tunes and rock the floor. Claps! Please encourage our tiny tots.
புலியாட்டம் பப்பரப்பப்பா, மயிலாட்டம் சின்னக்கு சின்னா, கோலாட்டம் நந்தக்கு நந்தா, ஆக்கரகாட்டம் கையக்கு கையா, புலியா புலியா, அழுது மொழிக்கா புலியா, வனக்கு தில்லு இருந்தால் எழுந்து வாணி இல்லையா, புலியா புலியா, திமிரு படிச்சா புலியா, கெஞ்ச ஆடிய புலியா, எங்க போலியா.
Can I give them a clap and appreciate? They are rocking the floor. First performance of the day.
claps. Wow, that's the cutest performance of the babies.
Okay. You give them a big round. Our boys are running. The team members, your members are running, boys. Boys and girls.
Kindly appreciate the children. Come on! Appreciate the participants. Please put a big round of applause. Yes! It's Sapphire. Come on! It's Sapphire followed by Emerald. Yes! Come on, get going. Cheer them up. It's Sapphire and Emerald. It's fight between Sapphire and Emerald. Come on! Let's cheer up. Catch up the speed. Yes, you can do it. Still you have time. Catch up the speed. It's Sapphire followed by Emerald with Topaz. And Topaz is leading. Yes. Topaz has got. Yes. It's Sapphire and Topaz. Emerald.
First place goes to Little Shri. Kindly give them a big round of applause. Second place goes to Derek Anthony. Third place goes to Shivanand. For the girls, first place goes to V. Meenakshi. Second place are Rachel and Jane. Third place, Litiksha. Parents, it's not enough. Parents, please cheer up the children. Thomasians, it's not enough. Our children. Thomasians. Running prize winners. First place goes to Shivanand of LKG. Second place goes to Derek Anthony of LKG. Third place goes to Little Shri of LKG. Girls, first place goes to V. Meenakshi. Second place goes to Karen Salim. Third place goes to Angelina Jones. Now UKG relay winners. First place goes to Jones. Second place goes to Stuart Jonathan. Third place goes to Noel Leon Adam. Girls, first place goes to Ritanya Raj. Second place, Adashri. Second place, Adashri. Third place, Harshita. Kindly give them a big round of applause, parents and Thomasians, for all the winners. For all the winners.
girls to get ready. Thank you, ma'am. Kindly take up your seats. Thank you, ma'am, for honoring us and honoring all the winners and runners. Next, we move on to the house drills. Team Amethyst and Sapphire, get ready. In the meantime, we have received the March Past result of the day. The first place. Shall we go from the third or the first? We move on from the third place, secured by Topaz and Amethyst with 20 points. Give them a big round of applause. For the March Past, this is the result for the March Past. Second place secured by Sapphire with 30 points, and without any delay, the first place goes to Emerald with 50 points. Clap your hands, children. Now I call our chief guest, Srilisha ma'am, to give us a small. A very good morning to you all. So, in the sports meet, இன்னைக்கு எல்லாரும் வந்திருக்கோம், and you know what is the speciality of the sports. So children எல்லாருக்கும் இது ஒரு day for cherishing, and அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய entertainment and ரொம்ப ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு விழாவாக தான் அவங்க பார்ப்பாங்க. But sports it has its own meaning. So என்னோடைய பார்வையில ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அது கற்றுக் கொடுக்கிறது டைமிங். The second thing is discipline. Then the third thing is தோத்தா எப்படி ஜெயிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜியை கற்றுக் கொடுக்குது. And the last is leadership. So timing is very essential. எந்த ஒரு விஷயத்திலையும் டைம் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம கீப் அப் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அதை ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ஈஸியா கஷ்டமே இல்லாம ஒரு குழந்தைக்கு கற்றுக் கொடுக்குற ஈவெண்ட் தான் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் தான். ஸோ ஒரு செகண்டோட வேல்யூ என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது தோத்து போனவங்களுக்கு தான் தெரியும். ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் லைக் தட் அதை மிஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க இன் அ செகண்ட். ஸோ அந்த வேல்யூ யார் சொன்னாலும் கற்றுக் கொடுக்க முடியாது. பேரண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் டீச்சர்ஸ் ஆர் எனிஒன் எல்ஸ் யார் சொன்னாலும் மைண்ட்ல ஸ்ட்ரைக் ஆகாது. பட் தி வேல்யூ ஆஃப் 1 செகண்ட் ஈஸியா கற்றுக் கொடுக்க முடியும்னா அது ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் தான். The second thing is discipline. So discipline ஒழுக்கமா இருங்க, இப்படி பண்ணுங்க அப்படி பண்ணுங்க நம்ம இம்போஸ் பண்றதுனால எந்த ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஸும் ஒரு சில்ட்ரன்ட்ட ஒரு சைல்ட்க்கு நம்ம பார்க்க முடியாது. But a sports require a constant and consistent preparedness. So consistent-ஆ prepared-ஆ இருக்கணும், consistency இருக்கணும். So அதுக்கு ஒரு discipline தேவை. Just like that நேத்துக்கு prepare பண்ணிட்டு இன்னைக்கு ஈவென்ட் பண்ணிட முடியாது. So that discipline that sports teaches you. And third thing is very important. இன்னையோட குழந்தைகளுக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஃபெயிலியரை பார்த்து ஈஸியா எஃபெக்ட் ஆயிடுறாங்க. அண்ட் ஃபெயிலியரை பார்த்து அடுத்தல நிறைய பேர் தப்பான முடிவுக்கு கூட போயிடுறாங்க. But the people who are in sports know when to fail and when to get up. So fail ஆனா கூட அதுல இருந்து மீண்டு வர்றதுக்குள்ள ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி அந்த யுக்தி ஒரு ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் பிளேயருக்கு தெரியும். So this sports gives you more knowledge and more education. So இத I want to take it as a ஒரு ஹானரா நான் சொல்வேன் பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு. என்னோட குழந்தைங்க ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்ல அதிகமா டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்றாங்க. they are not spending much in education அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்கள நீங்க ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க. because the sports teaches more values. அவங்களுக்கு நிறைய கத்து கொடுக்குது. So அவங்க இப்படிதான் இருக்கணும் நீங்க கைக்குள்ள வைக்கணும்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. give the free hand. So அவங்க அவங்களுடைய ஏரியாவை எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியும். And here the people from army is here. They are fighting for us in the battlefield. But you know our life itself is a battlefield. So நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு famous saying சொல்வாங்க, வாழ்க்கையே போர்க்களம், வாழ்ந்துதான் பார்க்கணும், போர்க்களம் மாறலாம், போர்கள் தான் மாறுமோ. So that is the essence. என்னைக்கும் நம்மளுடைய லைஃப்ல ஒரு விதமான பேட்டில் நம்ம ஃபேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு தான் இருக்கோம். ஸோ அந்த பேட்டில்ல எப்படி நம்ம ஓவர் கம் பண்ணோம், அது நம்மளுடைய பார்டர்ல தான் இருக்கணும்னு கிடையாது. நம்ம லைஃப், நம்மளுடைய டே டு டே ரொட்டீன் எல்லாத்துலயும் ஒரு பேட்டில் இருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த போர்க்களத்தை ஃபேஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா வில் பவர் ரொம்ப தேவை. அண்ட் நம்மளுக்கு அந்த ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி தேவை. அதை பீட் பண்ண முடியுங்கிற கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் தேவை. அது எல்லாம் அந்த ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் நமக்கு தருது. அண்ட் லாஸ்ட் த லீடர்ஷிப். தலைமைங்கிறது வெறும் டெசிஷன் மேக்கிங் மட்டும் கிடையாது.
the leader has to listen to the team members. So first listening, then taking a decision. So decision should not be a discretionary power of a leader, but it should come from all the team members. அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு spirit and ஒரு education வந்து sports நமக்கு impose பண்ணுது. So by all this, the sports day உடைய value வந்து நம்ம childrenக்கு நம்ம சொல்லாம சொல்லி கொடுக்கிற ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய moral study தான் அந்த sports. So அத வந்து நம்ம just like that ஒரு day for ஒரு entertainmentக்காக எடுக்காம அது ஒரு நிறைய அதனுடைய இம்பாக்ட புரிஞ்சிட்டு childrenக்கு parents support பண்ணனும் and likewise teachers also. PT period தான் most of the time cut பண்ணுவாங்க ஸ்கூல்ல. We all have that experience, right? You are not doing that. That makes very right. Like so mostly in other schools they cut the PT period just to fill it for some physics class or maths class. அதுதான் வாழ்க்கைக்கு முக்கியம் நினைக்கிறாங்க. But not that. Physically fitness ஃபிட்டா இருக்கணும். Likewise mental fitness physical fitness is must. So in the PT periodங்கிறது ஒரு பீரியடா இல்லாம அது வந்து அதுல நிறைய வேல்யூஸ் இருக்குங்கறத தெரிஞ்சிக்கிட்டு அதுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்து நம்ம அதை சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுவோம். நம்மளுடைய childrenக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுவோம். So thanks for the moment. So நேரம் வந்து எனக்கும் தெரியும். So you are all waiting for the events to the so we can together see the events and all the best for the children who have won and many more congratulations for the losers. ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு தெரிஞ்சுப்பீங்க எதுல நீங்க தப்பு போட்டீங்க அப்படின்ட்டு. So next time இதுல இருந்து நீங்க நிறைய கத்துப்பீங்க and the strategy தெரிஞ்சுப்பீங்க. Next time is your day. So all the best for everyone here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for being with us in your busy schedule and giving us a wonderful encouragement and appreciation for the children. Now it's time for the house drills. Amethyst and Sapphire. Amethyst team followed by Sapphire team. Before that, I would remind the second call for the 4x100 meters relay for girls to get ready.
Miss Lisa, because she has to go for a meeting, so she is leaving us. So we would like to thank her, and can we all give a big round of applause to Miss Lisa? We thank you for your presence, and we always are grateful for your presence here and for your inspiring motivational speech, ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay.
Dear all, as such starting to feel the heat of the day, let's relax for some time and wait for the showcasing of the house drills.
நம்ம வீட்டில் பண்ணுற ஒரு வேலையும் ரொம்ப இருக்கு. அது எப்படி இப்போ பாருங்க.
Okay, boss. Now let's listen to the rhythm of Chennai.
Un día yo voy a ser presidente de la República de Colombia. Plata por plomo. Plata por plomo. Plata por plomo. Yo soy Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria. Plata, plata, plata y plomo, plomo, plomo. Plata, plata, plata y plomo, plomo, plomo. Plata, plata, plata y plomo, plomo, plomo. Yo soy Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria.
Let's give them a big round of applause for the fiery performance.
Team motto, Omnia Excellencia. Nature has always gifted us with plenty of resources to live and enjoy. Rather, we are destroying it without conserving it. Team Software has brought us a wonderful message to seed trees through dance drill. Property is bamboo stair.
The theme of a house, Save Trees. Trees have a major contribution to the sustenance of the environment. We should all strive to save our home, which is the planet. Even planting one tree can save so many lives. It is high time that we take action and save the natural beauty of the planet, which nourishes all living and breathing creatures. When saving trees, they save lives and inevitably save the planet.
I'm very happy. Start music.
ആവോ ദാമാരോ നാലാളു കൂടണല്ലോ ആവോ ദാമാരോ
children. Music is very nice to our kids. Also, it displays the relationship between trees and human beings, shows different kinds of expressions like sorrow, anger, hatred, and love. Thank you for good performance.
For the 4 into 100-meter relay girls to get to their starting points. In the
Children.
meantime,
Children and dear parents, please leave the track for the children to run. So make a place for you to settle down.
I request all the teachers who are nearby the tracks to make sure that there is no children or trespassers near the tracks. The prize winners in standard 5 kindly come near the victory stand immediately. Jeremiah Roshan, Joel, Adish, girls Kanishka, Fiona, Netranika, Adish, Ryan, Eric, Kanishka, Fiona, Netranika, Jeremiah Roshan, Joshua, Jocelyn, Chrislyn, Darshan, Harish, Evelyn, Mohammed Nafis, Joel, Yuvadarani and Ovyashri. Assemble near the stage. Are the relay children ready? I request the leaders to make sure that they don't cross the tracks. All the teachers, those who are nearby the tracks, please make a note of it.
The grade 5 children who are going to receive the prizes come near this victory stand. Grade 5.
First, second track ready. First leg, Amethyst. Second leg, Emerald. Third leg, Sapphire. Fourth leg, Topaz.
Okay. Ready, 1, set.
Come on, come on! Come on, run fast! Come on!
Emerald,
Yes!
followed
come
by
on.
Sapphire with
Come
Amethyst and Topaz.
Come on, make it fast!
All children
Run,
kindly
run!
give them a big round of applause. Please cheer up your leaders, your
clap hands
teammates
for
who
your
are running. Now it's
on,
Amethyst
come on,
who's
come on.
raising and pushing up.
Come on, fast!
It's Amethyst. It's between
Come on,
Amethyst and
come on.
Emerald.
Run, children!
It's Amethyst and Emerald, followed by Topaz. Catch up. You still have time to catch up.
Run! Run, children!
It's Amethyst,
Come on, girls! Come on!
followed by Emerald, and it's
Come on.
Topaz in the third.
Come on!
Good going, Amethyst. Catch up.
Come on!
Catch up to speed.
Yes!
Very good.
Amethyst and
Congratulations. It's Amethyst, Emerald, and Topaz. Congratulations, winners. It's time for the prize distribution for category grades 1 to 5. I request Colonel Prashant Thakur sir to come and do the honors. Second is Rio of grade 1. Third is Raghav of grade 1. Girls, girls, first place goes to Hirashri for 50 meters. Second place goes to Rachel. Third place goes to Hannah Glenn. $75 meters.
Business owners need to hear this. If you're the smartest person on your team,
First standard boys.
Extremely far away from building a successful business. Now, while you may say, what the hell am I saying?
First place goes to Rio.
Even the smartest business owners on the planet have a...
Second place goes to Likith. Third place goes to Rahul. A small announcement for the parents. It's Suzuki's key with me, with the idol of Dora. Kindly come and collect it. 75-meter girls. Meter girls. First place goes to Rachel. Second place goes to Hirashri. Third place Tiara. Second standard 50-meter hurdles, boys. First place goes to Mohammad Rayan. Second place Ritik Ilakian. Third place Darren. Parents and students, kindly applaud the winners. They are taking up the victory stands. Girls. First place goes to Kanmaya in 50-meter hurdles. Second place Jashwantika. Third place Juvenis. Parents, please kindly applaud the children. Thomasians, feeling tired? Kindly give a big round of applause for the children. Meter boys. First place goes to Mohammad Rayan. Second place goes to Ritik Ilakian. Third place Joel Richard. Girls. Girls 75 meters. First place Kanmaya. Second place Jashwantika. Third place Dafan Sara. Hurdles, third standard boys. First place Joshua Anup. Second place Krish. Third place Darshan. Girls, 75 meters. First place goes to Jocelyn. Second, Chrislyn. Third, Isabel. (100-meter third standard). First place boys goes to Joshua Anup. Second place Abdul Rahman. Third place Darshan. Girls. Girls, first place Chrislyn, second place Isabel, and third place Jocelyn. This is the first call for 4 into 200 meters mixed relay. Children to get ready. Kindly report to the teachers. 100-meter fourth standard. Boys, first place goes to Muhammad Nafis. Second place Varun. Third place Aiden Jonish. (100-meter fourth standard girls, first place goes to Joshlin. Second place Angelina Thania. Third place Mary. Mary Elena. This is a gentle reminder for class teachers, grades 6 to 8, to collect your students of the prize winners, to get ready and arrange them near the podium. (200-meter fourth standard). First place Aiden Jonesh. Second place Monish. Third place Lokesh. Girls, first place Evelyn. Second place Jocelyn Ashika. Third place Joan Melissa. Fifth standard 100-meter boys. First place goes to Jeremiah Roshan. Second place Joel. Third place Atish. and Thomasians, kindly put your hands to congratulate the winners, please.
Girls, 100
Kindly
meter.
appreciate them.
First place Kanishka. Second place Fiona. Third place Netranika. Kanishka, second place Fiona, and third place Netranika. Fifth standard 200 meter boys. First place Adish. Second place Ryan. Third place Eric. Fifth standard 200 meter girls. First place Kanishka. Second place Fiona. Third place Netranika.
Reverend Father, parents and the students, I know it's really prestigious and cumbersome for you to attend this activity in this humid and hot weather. But the effort which goes behind making this event into a success is all the effort of teachers and the principal. Today, their full year's effort is seen in front of you, and I for sure believe that tremendous amount of hard work has gone behind getting this event in front of you. So we can have a round of applause for Father and his staff for making this event so beautifully organized for all of you. Now for the word of sports. Books and studies have limitation. Once you open a book and reach the last page, then there is nothing further to study. Sport is an event where we do not have the last line. You always something to earn more, seek more, get better. And this event is timed so well when today India has sought more than 100 medals in Asia, which itself is a record of its own. And we can see few bright sparks coming from this school also in future. Studies will definitely give you a better job and future. But sports in that job also will make you seek better, because a person who has a IQ of 8, 9 and 10 can only be a sportsman. Everyone can be good in studies, but everyone cannot be good in sports. From the learned father, when I was having word in his office, I realized how much hard work he is getting into the school curriculum to get people into ground. I can promise, Father, in future you will see budding sportsmen from your school. My father is a retired vice chancellor. He is anti-sports. He is hardcore anti-sports. So I used to win medals, throw them outside the home and then enter. till my class 12th, no one in my house, colony, or area knew that I am a sportsman. Then I joined army, represented India in 3-4 games. And there I realized what is sports. Today, both my daughters are national medalists. They are playing national games. They were very poor in studies, very poor. And when sports was introduced to them, same year they started topping the school and playing the game. Gopi Chand, the 4 girls he carries are topping the school. You have to just start looking around, you realize if you are good in sports, you'll automatically good in studies. Because in sports, you're competing with a person who has brain. He is not AI. He will compete with you. He will think logically. He will think how to put you down. And you think better than him to win from him. And your thinking capabilities increase. You start thinking more than him, better than him. That's what starts coming from you from now to an age where you are working. You start thinking better than the person who is sitting next to you. How should I do something better than him? So I have full trust in Father and his team that his efforts will not go in waste, and something will definitely good will crop out of such like events. Thank you, Father, for inviting me.
Thank you, sir. That was so very inspirational.
Parents, children, there is a small request. I see there are some waste things are being thrown in the ground. I think we have to follow this eco-friendly atmosphere. If you are drinking a juice, please, there is a dustbin near the security room. Kindly go little walk and put there the paper, the plastic glass paper, and do not throw anything on the ground because tomorrow is holiday and Monday is school. So please kindly help us to keep this environment clean. Thank you.
I request the fusion dance girls to get ready and get your positions.
Ramaya,
हो